Sweetie, you gonna try to catch a biscuit? Let's see now. You ready? Here it comes. Alrighty, here it comes. Ready? Didn't catch it. Let's try it again. Okay, sweetie, here it comes. Ready? Here's a biscuit. Alright, let's try it. Ready? Here's a biscuit. Okay, let's try this one more time. You ready, sweetie? Sit, girl. Good girl. You ready? Catch the biscuit. Okay. Alright, let's try it one more time, sweetie. Sweetie, you ready? Okay. Let's see now, sweetie. Okay. You gonna sit for me? Eat your biscuit. Okay. Alright, ready? Sit. Okay, let's catch that biscuit. Good girl. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Sit. Okay, you wanna lay down, catch it. Ready? Here comes the biscuit. Alright. Well, here you go, sweetie. Alright, sit down. Good girl. You're gonna lay down. Alright, one more. Gotta catch that biscuit. No, you're not. Okay. Sweetie, you a good girl, sweetie. Okay. Okay. Sweetie, sit. 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 Sweetie. Sweetie. Sit. Who's my girl? Who's my girl? Oh, what a pretty girl. That's a sweetie. My pal, sweets. Alright, there you go. Catch the biscuit. Okay. That a girl. You're a good girl. Well, someday you'll learn how to catch a biscuit. But I don't think today is the day. Want to sit for me? Want to sit? Who's my girl? Look at that. Oh, she's a sweet girl. Alright. Oh, say so long, sweetie. So long.